Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove or bypass update and shutdown update and restart option in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, in the search box type of services, open services, and find out a Windows update. Now open up Windows Update Services and change automatic to disable. Click on apply, click on OK button, close it. After that, in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrative privileges. After that, type a command is shutdown space dash s space minus f space minus t space 00. When you type this command and when you press the enter button, then your computer automatically shut down. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.